Hi, I'm Tom and I'm out for a walk with my wife Angie. We're setting off from Lancieux and heading towards Saint-Briac-sur-Mer. We're back in France, on the northern Breton coast. It's more than a little bit windy, but it's a lovely walk. Why don't you come along with us? Wow, the beach looks great, but it's Thursday the 9th of April 2026 and it's not really beach weather. There are some people exercising by walking in the sea though. It's probably quite a good idea, isn't it? I mean, all this area is just amazing to live. What a quality of life. Beautiful. Bonjour. And look at those houses up there. Be nice, wouldn't it? Well, it doesn't look like there's a coastal route though, does it? I think we've got to go off the coast here. We could climb over all those rocks. I think we could. It's a spectacular place, isn't it? I wonder, there must be somewhere up this coast a place where you can still pick up reasonable priced houses. Are we going to be able to find the car?
Well, we just have to walk off that, of course. So.
Yeah. There's a part, the road goes down there. And look, it's beautiful. Lovely cafe down there. Nice. I've realised that it's highly unlikely that this channel, the Plus channel, will ever get the 1,000 subscribers required for YouTube monetization. So I've decided to try something different for the Plus channel. I've joined the Amazon Associates affiliate program, and in the video description there'll be a link to a product I've used in the video. Today, for example, the link will take you to the Amazon page for the camera I've filmed this on, the DJI Osmo Action 4. It is an amazing budget-friendly action camera that I have no hesitation highly recommending. And if you click on my link to Amazon, you get charged exactly what you normally would get charged, and the channel gets rewarded for taking you to Amazon. I think I'm right in saying that if you use my link to go to Amazon and decide not to buy an action camera, but continue browsing and buy something else, that will also benefit the channel. So if anybody does use the link, many thanks for that. And hopefully a few months down the line, Amazon might owe me a free memory card.
Those houses are spectacular.
Are we going to have to
I
walk
think
through
I think we'll be walking behind those houses. This is where that'll take us, I think. And somewhere over there there'll be a bridge over too. I mean, look at those lovely wooden balconies on. we don't really know where if we're going in the right direction, but who cares?
See that side?
The sea is that side, yeah. But it goes round a point, so it could be that we're meant to be going over there, but I'm not fussed. Look at this, it's like a little castle. Like that. Oh, I do. Cracking little place. I mean, this is beautiful. The beach was probably, we've only seen that one, it was lovely, but they're not as desolate as the ones around near us. But it is, considering it's such a big country, there is a lot of houses about, isn't there? Lovely places. The stonework is immaculate on the newer ones, isn't it? And the grouting. Well, I think that would take you down to a beach, wouldn't it? That's a renovation, it's not a new house. Obviously it needed a complete new roof. But there's parts of France where you get termites, isn't there?
Is there?
Yeah.
Or they eat the wood?
They eat all the wood.
Isn't it everywhere though?
South of France, terrible. I don't think Brittany has
You have
it.
to have all your wood treated.
Yeah, massively. And Spain as well. Look at the little cat on the roof.
Where? Oh yeah.
That's cool, isn't it? Well, there's an anchor on that building. They don't build small houses, do they? I mean, that's a monster, isn't it? Yeah, so this will be an interesting little walk from Lancieux to... Look at that. Oh, we've got to have a look.
Maybe we can pick up the path.
Yeah. Lancieux to Saint-Briac-sur-Mer. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah. I think if we won the million on the premium bonds, I wouldn't. You want to move in Jersey?
I'm not buying a house in France.
Not a gorgeous one over here that you could come over.
No.
Up
Because
near.
the money you'd spend every year about £10,000 just maintaining the house, paying your rates and your garden and
Yeah,
everything
but
else.
you might spend like well, you could only spend 3 months.
So I'd rather have a £10,000 holiday somewhere else. You're better off not worried about you just coming across and renting a nice house for 6 weeks, and then you don't have to worry about the rates and everything else.
Oh yeah, but look, imagine owning something like that. –13 north. Yeah, we might be at dead end. Be nice if the road went round, wouldn't it? Look at that island there with the beach in between it.
Got a gate? Got a house on it?
Yeah, that one has. The one behind I was looking at. Yeah. How do you drive down to that though? Come down here and onto the beach. Yeah, there is a slipway, look. So you could drive down, and if the tide was down. Oh, that's another gorgeous beach. I don't know.
And how about this location, ladies and gents? We'll take a closer look in the next video, but for now we'll call it a day. From here it'll take us just over half an hour to get to Saint-Briac-sur-Mer, so there'll be 2 more parts to this video, with some stunning coastal scenery along the way. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.